Hey, this is Chinmai Swamy and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the published author of 4 books. I'm an international speaker and transformational coach. I post videos on this platform which I'll help you to sell your advice online and get virtual clients. I teach you to use your existing skills, knowledge, and experience and convert them into highly profitable digital products, online programs, so you can have a successful virtual coaching business, which allows you to have the lifestyle you always wanted. Now, at the same time, I also post videos which helps you to overcome the daily challenges of procrastination, self-doubt, insecurities, overcoming your fears, and maintaining the relationships and health which is so dear to you. If you like that, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.